Hi students, I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we are going to study about unit number 8, chapter number 12. This is second part of this video where we will see about some key points regarding to the Bohr model of atom. As I earlier discussed that Bohr model you have studied in chemistry also, in 9th class also you have gained the complete knowledge about Bohr model. Here we are not discussing about theory portion, but we are discussing only just key points related with the Bohr model of atom. So it states that electron is an atom revolved around the nucleus in certain stationary orbit. As we have studied earlier, these orbits are quantized. One question also we have studied in a part 1 video, that angular momentum will be integral multiple of nh upon 2 pi. So the electron will revolve around the atom nucleus is a stationary orbit. Only they will revolve in a stationary orbit. These orbit will be quantized. That means nbr equal to nh upon 2 pi. This is our point number 1. This point is very important. This is key point. With the help of this you can solve numerical as well as you can use in a future prospect. Second point, when an electron jumps from higher energy state to the lower energy state. When electron jumps from higher energy state to lower energy state, it radiates the energy, the frequency of photon. Obviously, if electron will jump from higher energy level to lower energy level, then they will radiate energy. Electron will radiate energy. So the energy of frequency of photon mu equal to E2 minus E1 upon H. This is the formula for radiation energy. The frequency of photon can be represented as mu equal to E2 minus E1 upon H. Then third one is the radius of nth orbit. The radius of nth orbit, it is formulated by Rn equal to epsilon naught n square h square upon pi m E4. The radius of first orbit of hydrogen atom is called Bohr radius. The radius of first orbit. First orbit we know that h equal to 1, then that will be hydrogen. So the radius of first orbit of hydrogen atom is called Bohr radius, which is represented by 0 equal to h square epsilon naught pi m e square, which value is 5.13 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Then last point is speed of electron in any orbit is given by Vn equal to E square upon 2 epsilon naught nh, which is 1 upon 137 C upon n, where V1 value is C upon 2 pi epsilon naught nh. So these are the key points which we have to note down by the Bohr atomic model. Now we'll see some spectral line of hydrogen atom, which is very important topic. I will explain you just numerically questions. By book you can study, you can read the theoretical portion. Also you have studied in earlier classes spectral line, 5 spectral line, Lyman series, first, second is Balmer, third is Paschen, fourth is Brackett and fifth is Fund. So before studying this, we will study about wave number of spectral line. Wave number of spectral line given by mu r equal to 1 upon lambda equal to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square, where r is Rydberg constant. We have studied in 11th class. This is value is 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 meter inverse. So by this all spectral line followed by in this manner. First is Lyman series. For Lyman series, mu r equal to r. R means Rydberg constant, 1 upon 1 square minus n2 square, where n equal to 2, 3, 4. Because Lyman is first series, so 1 square. Second is Balmer series. In Balmer series, mu r equal to 1 upon lambda r 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon n2 square, because they are starting for 2, then n2 will be 3, 4, 5 up to the again. Third is Paschen series. Paschen series is mu bar equal to 1 upon lambda r 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon n2 square n equal to 4, 5, 6. Similarly, you can write in your way. Also, you can bracket series. Bracket means 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon n2 square n means 5, 6, 7 up to the rest. And Kund series is mu bar equal to 1 upon lambda r 1 upon 5 square minus 1 upon n square, where n will be next 6, 7, 8. So this is a series. You can also see the diagram in book with different series of hydrogen atom. Earlier we have discussed the Bohr model, some key factor. So Bohr have some limitation. So we are discussing now. So some limitation. This Bohr model of atom is only applicable for hydrogen atom. It is only applicable for hydrogen atom. So it is limitation of Bohr model. Also, Bohr model could not explain the fine structure of hydrogen atom series. Fine structure by Bohr model we cannot understand properly. Also, Bohr model could not explain the shape of orbit. Whole shape of orbit cannot be explained by the Bohr models. That's why some of the drawback and limitation Bohr model have. So try to understand by the book. Also, you can solve the numerical question regarding this. Thank you.